Hi beautiful people, welcome to Malcolm's Veg Kitchen. Thank you so much for returning and clicking on today's video. You guys are the real MVPs, and trust me, I got you when it comes to tasty vegetarian meals. In today's video, we are cooking tasty, delicious vegan Egushie stew. The ingredients are chopped cabbage, chopped carrots, cooking oil, ginger, garlic, onion, green bell pepper, blended onion, fried wagashi, egushie or melon seeds, tomatoes, green or habanero pepper, and mixed spices. So melon seeds, which is termed as egushie in Ghana and egusi in Nigeria, is rich in vitamin B1 and B2, which can facilitate growth and red blood cell development. It's also rich in vitamin C. And mind you, egushie serves as a great meat alternative for those adhering to a vegan or plant-based diet, as we are doing here, guys. So I prep my egushie by washing it properly. I hand-pick all the unwanted seeds from it. I repeat the process twice to make sure it's properly washed, and then I drain the water using a sieve. I go ahead to add a little bit of water for soaking. You would have to soak your egushie in order to make the blending process quite smooth. In a preheated pan, I add my cooking oil on a medium-low heat. I then go ahead to add my blended onion and I give it a stir. So I go ahead to dice my wagashi. Just look at that, my golden brown wagashi. I dice it finely and I introduce it to my blended onion on fire. I do so for proper marination. I would want it to be so tasty. I give it a good stir and then I cover it for a few minutes. I get back to slice my garlic and ginger. In today's video, there's going to be a lot of slicing, chopping, cutting, not much blending. So enjoy the process, guys. After I slice my garlic and my ginger, I add it to my stew and give it a good stir. And you'd have a very nice aroma. Trust me, guys. It smells so good. I cover it for a few minutes. I come back to slice my green habanero pepper. I do it so finely, and this process requires gloves, guys. I beg of you. I add it to the stew. After a few minutes, I get back and give it a good stir. Look at the color, it's so beautiful. I divide my onion in two and just use one part of it. I go ahead to dice it finely. And then I go ahead to add it to my stew. Just look at it. I give it a good stir and I have beautiful colors already. I have my wagashi, onion, pepper, ginger, garlic. Guys, I almost gave up at this point because I could eat it with anything at this point. But no, we have to get somewhere. So I go ahead to dice my tomato. I divide it in two and de-seed it. It's fine if you want to use the seed, but I did not want to use the seed, so I de-seeded it and then I chopped it finely. I go ahead to add my chopped tomato to my stew. And look at that, guys. At this point, I'm just left with the color yellow to form my national colors in my stew. After a while of soaking the egushie, I drain the water from it. And then I put it in a blender. I add just a little bit of water to it for a running consistency. This point is totally optional. If you want a lumpy or thick egushie, I would urge you to add just a little water. I added a little more water so it won't be so thick. I go ahead to add my blended egushie. And I cover it for a few minutes. I then go ahead to slice my green bell pepper. I get back to my stew, add my mixed spices, and then give it a stir. You can add any spice of your choice, guys. I then add salt to taste, just a teaspoonful of salt. I cover it for a few minutes. I get back and then I give it a good stir. We are almost there, guys. Look at it, so beautiful. I go ahead to add my diced carrots. I stir it and cover it for about 10 more minutes. I get back and then I add my cabbage to it. I keep stirring it. I add my green bell pepper and then I give it a good stir. I keep stirring it because I do not want lumps in it. After adding all my veggies, I cover my stew for less than 5 minutes for it to be properly cooked because I do not want my veggies to be totally soft. I want it to be crunchy. I get back after that and my stew is perfectly cooked just how I wanted, guys. Meduane na bing magushi fry no. I said papa bi. Just look at that. Let me know what you be pairing yours with, guys. Just look at the stew. It came out so well. So I paired mine with yelepona bayere boiled yam and it tasted so good. My family totally enjoyed it. And I bet you'd also enjoy it. Let's get interactive in the comment section. Try your hands on it and let me know how it tastes. Share this video to your loved ones and let them also have a feel of the vegan meal, guys. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I'd urge you to subscribe, like, comment, share to everyone. Thanks for watching. Stay beautiful, stay positive. No matter what you're going through, my darling, have a good meal first. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye.